Look, if you're working construction, concrete, or any other trade making $40,000 to $60,000 a year, and you're tired of trading your body for a paycheck that barely covers the bills, I can show you exactly how to build a coatings business that puts $10,000 to $20,000 in your pocket every single month. Not in 5 years, not after getting some certification that takes forever. I'm talking about landing your first paying job in the next 30 days and building it to 6 figures within 90 days of starting. And you can do it working nights and weekends until you're ready to go full time. My name is Tyler Savangren. For over a decade, I've been installing metallic epoxy floors, countertops, and concrete overlays. More importantly, I've trained thousands of contractors on how to break into this industry and build real thriving businesses. Not theory, not classroom stuff, real job site training, filmed while you're actually doing the work. The mistakes, the fixes, everything you actually need to know. Our students are locking in $3,000 garage floors in their very first month. By month 3, they're landing $8,000 commercial jobs, and within their first year, many are already pulling in $30,000 months, all starting as complete beginners. The coating industry is exploding. We're talking about a market growing from $15.6 billion today to nearly $24 billion by 2034. And with 439,000 construction workers needed right now, there's never been a bigger opportunity for someone willing to learn this trade. Here's what no one's telling you about the trades right now. While you're out there swinging a hammer for $25 an hour, destroying your back, working someone else's dream, coating installers are charging $8 to $12 per square foot for work that's easier on your body and way more profitable. Think about it. A standard 2-car garage is 400 square feet. At $10 a square foot, that's $4,000 job. Materials cost you maybe $1,000 with supplies. Labor, if you hire help, maybe another $200. You just made $2,800 profit in 1 weekend. Do 3 of those a month, that's $8,400. Do that while keeping your day job for 3 months, and you've got enough saved up to go full time with confidence. But here's the real kicker. This isn't seasonal like concrete. You can do interior floors, countertops, showers year round. Commercial jobs, residential, new construction, renovations, the work never stops. So here's exactly what you get with Leggari Academy. And yes, I'll tell you the price up front. It's $17.99, or you can split it into payments starting at just $199 a month. This isn't a one and done deal. It's a lifetime access to over 180 videos, 10 different systems. You'll always be getting new training, fresh updates, the latest techniques. And because we're constantly adding more, your library never stops growing. You'll keep learning for life, from epoxy floors to flake systems to countertops, concrete overlays, shower systems, asphalt repair, concrete repair. You get every system you need to build a complete business and set yourself apart from the competition. Plus, you'll get our 300-page field manual that breaks down every technique, every mix ratio, every troubleshooting solution you'll ever need on a job site. But here's what really matters. You get your complete business seminar. This isn't just about mixing epoxy. It's about pricing jobs, closing sales, marketing services, managing cash flow, the actual stuff that determines whether you make it or not in business. You'll also get up to 40% off Leggari products for life, access to our certified installers map that sends you hot local leads, and direct access to our support team. Actual coding professionals, not some call center. You get their personal cell numbers. Now, I know what you're thinking. I've never done coatings before. Neither had 80% of our members when they started. This program assumes you're starting from zero. We teach you everything from how to hold tools to closing 5-figure commercial contracts. I don't have money for equipment, you might say. You can start with under $500 in just basic tools. Most members make that back on their very first practice job. We show you exactly what to buy and where to get it cheap. You might be saying, I don't have time. Well, look, you're already working 50 to 60 hours a week for someone else. Take 2 to 3 of those hours on the weekend to learn a skill that can replace your income. Most members spend 5 to 10 hours going through the initial training, then learn by doing actual jobs. Or maybe you're saying, what if I can't get customers? We literally give you the marketing templates, the Facebook ad scripts, the door hangers that are already working. Plus, you get listed on our installer map, where customers are actively looking for certified installers. Or maybe you're thinking, is this just another get-rich-quick scheme? Answer is no. This is get rich slow by actually building a real business with real skills. If you want overnight success, this isn't for you. Let me be clear about who this is for and who should not join. This is for you if you're willing to get your hands dirty, follow proven systems, and put in weekend hours to build something real. If you're tired of the paycheck to paycheck cycle and ready to bet on yourself, if you can follow instructions and aren't afraid of actual work, this is not for you if you're looking for passive income or some magic button. If you can't invest in at least 5 hours a week learning and practicing, if you're not willing to do a few practice jobs to get good before charging premium prices, or if you think you already know everything and won't follow our proven systems. We want members who actually use this training to build real businesses, because when you succeed, you buy more products from us, you refer others, and everyone wins. Look, $17.99 might sound like a lot, but this isn't a cost. It's an investment that pays for itself on your very first job. That's why we make this completely risk-free. You get our 30-day money-back guarantee, go through the training, try the techniques, even do a practice job. If you don't see how this can transform your income, just email us and you get every penny back. No questions asked. Plus, you can start for just $199 a month today with our payment plan. That's less than a day's wages to change your entire future. Here's the thing, we only open enrollment to 50 new members each month to ensure everyone gets proper support. Once those spots are gone, you have to wait until the next month. Click the Enroll Now button below, choose your payment option, and let's get you started on your first $3,000 job within the next 30 days. The only thing standing between you and six-figure coding business is clicking that button, Enroll Now. Before Kyle started Tri-Cities Epoxy, he worked in construction, he was an electrician, he was a roofer, he even had a couple restaurant jobs. He said he did a lot of different jobs, but being in the coding industry has undoubtedly been the most gratifying thing he's done. Within a few months of starting, his business was doing 2 to 3 jobs a week. His best month, he completed 6 to 7 jobs, grossing $32,000 in 1 month. When Kyle first joined the Academy, he was blown away by how in-depth the trainings are. They're all filmed on real job sites. This makes a huge difference. It also really helps that the products are top-notch and the support team is so helpful when he calls. You're not gonna find a more in-depth, detailed training out there. Before Leggari Academy, Brian had been building custom homes with his dad right out of high school. He started the Leggari Academy because the products seemed fun and it seemed like a unique business opportunity. His first impression of Leggari's training was, wow, there's so much opportunity here, and going through Leggari's training really sped up the process of getting good at these systems. Shortly after starting to offer these coatings, Brian got so many calls he had to form a new business, Innovate Coatings. In some of his best months, he's grossing over $35,000. The only thing standing between you and six-figure coating business is clicking that button, Enroll Now.